Good night, everyone. Welcome to DevOps channel, DevOps Nights channel. Tonight we are continuing the process of UDP, so the Universal Delivery Pipeline, and the goal is that we can deploy everything everywhere. So we already created two builds, one for Node.js and one for .NET Core. And today we are showing how to deploy these applications in an Azure web app. We are planning to use the same deployment, the same YAML template to deploy both applications. Of course, we will need to do some adjusts, but let's see how it will be. So my name is Wesley Camargo. I'm a Microsoft MVP and a DevOps specialist. I'm working in Poland and DXC / Luxoft. And this is my friend Emmanuel Brandão, and he's also a Microsoft MVP. And Brandão, introduce yourself, please.
Yes, I'm a Microsoft MVP, but I'm talking from Brazil. And hello, everyone.
Cool. So
let's... with a few words.
Yeah, you are.
We can guy. Put the always every live we are introducing us for the audience, but we can put the about.me/Gomes-Brandão in comments and cut this bullshit from the video.
Yeah,
and
for
get started directly.
Yeah, cool. So let's start. Just a minute. I'm finding myself in a lot of tabs. Okay. So this is the DevOps Nights GitHub. This is the UDP repo, and here we have our structure. I will show the main page. Okay, so here is the source of the UDP. So we have a build folder and the orchestrator. And during the weekend, I find some time to move the example inside the main repo. So here I moved the .NET Core application, and it's basically the same application that we are working on, and it will be it can do the things easy to work when we are building the tool. Okay, so I already created some pipelines here, and I moved this pipeline for .NET Core inside this folder examples. So in the future we are going to organize this mess. Okay, so this pipeline is pointing not for the DevOps Nights Git, but to my personal Git. So as we is a good practice, do not do the change straight on the main repo. We should fork this and work in your own GitHub, and this pipeline is pointing to there. So this is why we have it here. Okay, so but it's basically the same that we was working in the past weeks. The only change is as now we are inside the repo, we don't need to do this reference. So I comment this just to keep the thing simple. But if we're going to use this in your project, you need to uncomment this part and put your configurations here. Okay, so when we finish this .NET Core, we can remove these things and then keep it in the right shape to be consumed. Okay. So, if you are forking the repo, and using the templates straight from the forked, you should keep it. Okay, you just need to uncomment if you are consuming the templates from another repo. Okay. So let's go. Last week we finished the template for build, right? And we built the orchestrator. So the orchestrator is like, let's say, the core of the UDP. So here is it will be all the intelligence that when we are choosing which template we want to use. Here for now we just have the .NET Core and the node, and now we are going to build the deployment in Azure. Okay, so first I will just comment this part just to keep the things easy when we are working on it. So here we have this jobs collection. Here I will call again as a template. So basically the same thing that we have here. So I will copy. Oh, looks like a break if something broke something. Okay, so here we have the template. Okay, I will later I will run just to test. But as we are doing in the other videos, we are going to create here first and then move to inside the template. So today we are going to use the deployment job. So the deployment is like a specialization of the jobs, and there is a lot of good things that we can consume inside this. So for example, pre-deployment. Okay, so why is not working? Any suggestion, Brandon?
What?
The deployment stopped to work. Okay, so let's check in the documentation. So yeah.
Oh, the IntelliSense?
Yeah, looks like I have something wrong there. Tasks and templates. No, actually I will search on Google. So Azure DevOps YAML templates face. Okay, here YAML schema. Okay, let's see what I have wrong. So yeah, we have jobs. We have. I don't know what's happening. We'll have some bet.
Maybe you can refresh the page, no?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
Strange thing. Okay, comment here again. So jobs, job. No, it's still not working. Oh, okay, it worked. So I would change for the deployment. And before I will put the template. Okay. Okay, cool. So we have now it's working. So first you need to choose a strategy. So I will choose run once. And I will choose deploy. Okay. So now steps. And okay, first we need to download the build artifacts. So I will not do it by this task, but I will choose this one. Whoa. Download build artifacts from current build. The artifact name, I don't remember how we are calling it. Okay. Yeah, drop. Okay, good. This is good. So the artifact name is drop. And we are copying everything inside the folder to this system artifacts directory. Okay, so we have the first task. And now I will choose this task to deploy in a web app. I already have a service connection created. And this web app, it's one web app on Windows. And I will choose this one. And I think I don't need to change the other configuration, so I think we are good. Okay. Wait, where we have it? Okay, I will change just this because we are downloading the artifacts in this artifacts stage directory, so I need to choose the same path to deploy. Okay, so I will save and run it. Oh, actually, I will create a new branch to don't mess the things on my main branch. So the feature is Azure Deployment. And I don't want to have a pull request now. Okay, let's see if the trigger is working. Looks no. Okay, it's not working because I have a trigger for the feature branch. Okay, so we have an error. So job 1 environment is required. So we need to give the environment. So let's call it develop. And maybe I will choose this. should have something like this. So maybe the feature can trigger the pipeline. Okay, let's see if we have new runs. Brandon, did you? Oh, the trigger worked. Did you had played with this kind of deployment for Azure?
No.
In YAML, never.
YAML. No, I already do it. But I think it's just one time.
Cool. Okay, so we got an error. So artifact drop not found for build. Please ensure that you have published artifacts in a previous phase. So what happened? If we come here, we can see that it was, I don't know if there's some, there is no time on the logs, but this deployment task finished before the build. So first we need to do, to configure the dependency. So here we have an option. So it named depends on. So we need to give exactly the name of our build job. So let's check here. So it's build job and put it here. Save again. And let's see. Okay, the trigger is working. Yeah, now the build will run first, and after the build, it will run on the deployment. Okay, the deployment we didn't give a name. We can do it meanwhile. Yeah, display name. So just web app deployment. So let's put Azure web app deployment. Okay, we can't give a name, so just the display name should be enough. If we come here, this is my Azure. I have the two web apps here. Actually, not here. But I want to what I want to show is here. So the deployments looks like we have a failed. Okay, maybe it was on the previous attempt. Now probably it didn't work yet, so we can refresh. It's not there yet. Okay, meanwhile, we can take a look on the details. So here we have some options that we can use. So file transformations. With this, you can deploy in any environments. So, for example, you can have a deployment on development and QA and production. So each of these environments should have a different configuration. So, for example, for databases, for APIs. So you can use these options to transform in this kind of thing. Do you want to complement something, Brando?
No, just just one point. It's important to the environment mirroring the production environment, because if you test something like HTTPS without certified in development, you can't test everything what the application needs. And when you test when you have environment with load balance equally on productions environment and other requirements, you can test early. Is the shift left testing early in your process development. And if you have pipelines, infrastructure as code, you can calibrate the parameters in development environment to mirror the production, but with small size maybe. And it's important when you are testing the application.
Yeah, pretty good. Later, we are planning to show how you can clone this kind of environments. So let's follow the next videos. Probably no. We will show how to do it, and using this good practice that Brandon mentioned. Okay, so looks like it deployed. Okay, so it downloaded the artifact and deployed on the web app. Let's just check if it's broken. Okay, it's broken, but this is not a problem. We just want to show the deployment. Probably it's something with the application. But yeah, it worked. So now we need to move this inside the template. So let's do the same things that we did in the previous lives. So here we are in the UDP, the source. First thing, we need to create a folder. We can call it deploy. Deploy or deployment, Brandon? What's your suggestion?
Deploy or deployment? Good question. I think it. Yeah, well, we can start with deploy and change.
Yeah. Okay.
In the future.
Okay, so I will put deploy and not .NET deploy, but Azure Web App deploy, because we can deploy both applications using the same YAML.
Oh, maybe you want to continue with the structure in the what we start in the files of build. .NET Core build maybe web, Azure Web App deploy job. Yeah.
Like this.
Azure Web App or.
Yeah, but the thing is that we can have more than one kind of deployment on Azure. So
yeah,
maybe
it's because that I said Azure Web App deploy jobs.
Yeah, so it's right.
Yeah,
that's good.
It's good. Yeah.
Okay, so now we need a collection of jobs. Oh, jobs. Okay, and okay, so now we can just copy from our pipeline. I will copy just this deployment part, not the build, because it doesn't make sense we copy this. Okay, so I think it looks good. Now I will remove from the pipeline and just keep the extends part. Okay, back here. So now we need to have to call this YAML, this deployment in YAML, inside the orchestrator. So here we can have like a new call for the template. And now it's deploy. Actually, I will copy it from here, copy relative path. We don't need this source, just the deploy. And yeah, don't know if just this. Okay, here. Yeah, so we have the develop, the environment, the build job. Okay, looks good. Just one thing, here we are changing the main, so we need to use the same branch that we are changing here. So feature Azure Deployment. So first I need to pull. Okay, now check out my branch. Okay, code git lg. Okay, update Azure pipelines. Yeah, a lot of update Azure pipelines. Okay, so now we need to come to our example for .NET Core and actually do the same change here. So I will just copy from here. Okay. Git status. Okay, so we have changes on Azure pipeline. Okay, we changed it for the extends. We have a change on the orchestrator, and we have a new file for the Azure Web App deployment. I add everything. So enable Azure Web App deployment and commit, push, and let's see. Okay, still pushing. Maybe now. Okay, now started. Bruno, still there? Are you so quiet today? And maybe you are on mute.
Oh, I'm here. Yes, because when you are doing these modifications, I'm doing the same with my JavaScript example. I'm trying to do it, but I'm experiencing some issues here with the code and how can I run the code to test on my machine?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not so good on Node.js and JavaScript applications.
Yes, me too.
Okay, so here looks It built, so it built and deployed. It was
deployment.
It's built and deployed. So we are
It's
good.
built and deployed. Yeah.
Yeah. So we are good. So the template is working. Now, okay. So we didn't change anything here. So we didn't give any parameters. So it's everything is hard coded. So we need to parameterize our application. So how can we do that? Let's back here. Just
you want to parameterize right, the parameters for the application or for the infrastructure?
For deployed application, no. We are not creating the infrastructure yet. We are just deploying in an existing web app. In other lives, we can do this.
No, okay, but what you want to put?
Parameterize?
What parameters you want to put?
At least the name of the web app. Because if we have another web app to deploy, we need to give the name.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm thinking about write parameters to Azure, not the pipeline. You want to put a parameter to split the name in the pipeline, right?
Yeah, I think yes. So first, I will copy the same thing that we did for the orchestrator and paste here. So I will just rename not for research type, but web app name. Okay, so the type is string. And here we need to give this variable. But when we are, I don't know if we have it here. Yeah, we have it here. So as we show it on the orchestrator, the way that we need to give the parameters are different when you are using the YAML variable. So we still have the environment variables like the artifacts staging directory. But if we are going to use these parameters, we need to add to choose the syntax. So between I forgot the name again, Brandon. What's the name of?
Slice brackets.
I have no idea. But yeah,
I will check for you.
Yeah, we need to put between these characters, let's say. So the parameters and the web app name, and then it should work. One more parameter that we can use is the service connection. So the Azure subscription. So we can create a new one. So name service connection. Sorry, and string type string. Okay, and here we can have the same
curly braces or curly brackets.
Brackets. Curly brackets. Okay, cool. I didn't know that.
We will memorize this along the lives.
Yeah, we will use this a lot. Okay, here I will just do like that to know the value. And here the service connection, the same. Just to pass outside. Okay. So we have this staging directory, artifacts directory. Connection type, it will be always our Azure RM. We are not going to deploy on Classic, so let's keep like that. The app type, it's web app. Maybe in the future, if we're going to deploy functions, we can parameterize this, but now I think we are good. So we just need to give the web app name, and the service connection.
Yeah, always baby steps.
Yeah. Okay, so we changed it inside the deployment template. So we need to have the same parameters in the orchestrator. When the time comes, we will see that it will be complex. Maybe in the future we will change this to use an object, but now, as Brandon said, let's do baby steps. Okay. So here,
Yeah,
in the same way that
we have complex type in YAML.
Yeah, we can use objects. It's not so perfect, but it works. At least from my needs, when I need to use this, it was enough. But in some case, for example, to get
But
some values,
if
it's hard.
it's possible to slice this file and move parameters to another file.
Parameters, I'm not sure. I know that we can do it with variables, but for parameters, I don't know. You mean like terraform, right?
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
file just for parameters.
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe we can check. Maybe it's a good thing to do.
Yeah.
Okay, so here I'm basically preparing to receive this value and giving this value to the template. Okay, so the same for the service connection. And now we need to change the application. So here, we are giving the resource type that it's used in build. So here, now we need to give the web app name and the service connection. So this is why I just saved these names here. Okay, so the parameters, so web app. Maybe it is not so beautiful to show how we are doing this, but it is how we do the things during our work, so this is how we work. So copying and pasting things and all this and messing these other things, so it's how we work, at least me. So yeah. Okay,
It's
so
okay
now
for me.
yeah. Okay, so looks good. Now I will commit it again. So just check the chains. It's a good practice to do this. Parameters, okay. Commit and push. Okay, we got an error. Orchestrator, line 18, unrecognized value parameter. Okay.
Are you sure it's the correct syntax?
Yeah. It should be. parameter dot web app name. Yeah.
It's parameter or parameters?
Good catch. Parameters.
No, because you are using parameters. Maybe is array.
Is what?
Sorry, parameters is a collection of parameter, and the parameter is the object, and you are accessing one parameter.
Yeah, but I'm not sure. I think it doesn't exist, just parameter. It's always parameters. We are always using the collection.
Yeah. It's what I'm saying. It's parameters and dots, the name of parameter, because you are using the collection dot the name of the item in collection.
Yeah, exactly. We are getting like the index of the collection.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so
it's we say array or
array.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got another error. Actually, it's not an error, because when we are using some Azure service connection, we need to authorize the pipeline to use this. So it's a safety measure. So to ensure that just the authorized pipelines can run using this service connection. So we just need to come here, authorize the resource authorized, and run new.
This is only you need to do this just once, right?
Yeah.
Just for the first time.
Yeah. Theoretically. Looks like
it's just once.
Yeah, but looks like we have some. I don't know why it's not running yet. Azure Deployment run. Okay, so the pipeline is not valid. Job 1. Step input Azure subscription reference service connection, which could be not found. Okay. So we mess up the things. Where? Service connection. No. So maybe here.
The name is service connection.
Okay. No. It's the copy paste. I copied and pasted the same. Yeah, it happens.
The problem with copying code.
Yeah, it can help, but sometimes it's hard to find the error. In this case, it was easy, but in some cases, you can spend a lot of time searching for it. Okay, let's see again. I push it. Okay, now it's working. Okay, the build's done. Okay. Yeah, looks like it worked. Let's see if now it will open. I don't think so, but let's check. Yeah, it's still breaking. Okay.
Maybe try to force a refresh on the page because maybe you have some cache error.
Looks no. Let's open a new incognito. No, the same. Yeah, I don't know. I will check it later.
Okay.
Okay, so looks like it's working. Okay, so let's merge this to the main repo. Do you think that we need to add something else?
No, I think we need to close the bib step. One bib step for a time.
Yeah, cool.
And now we have two steps of the pipeline: the step of build .NET Core and the step to deploy .NET. The step to deploy a web app on Azure. And because the deploy of web app on Azure is the same for a .NET Core or a Node.js, we can test with our JavaScript example if it will be work.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, today I will try to do the
for
right.
that, go.
Okay, yeah. For today, I'll try to do the right thing. So, I created the branch. So I will merge to my main first, and after this, I will pull request it to DevOps Nights repo. So yeah, okay. So, enable. Azure.
When you merge to your main branch, will be trigger another pipeline, right?
Probably, yeah.
Okay.
They have the trigger for the main, so probably it will run. So the branch has no conflicts. Yeah, I will squash. I don't want all these messages.
The squash.
Yeah. Enable. What's the name? Okay, I will copy the name. Confirm squash and merge. Okay, so now I can come to my main branch. Oh, actually, let's see what Brandon said, if it triggered. And if everything is okay, we can push this to the main repo. How is it going, your JavaScript, Brandon?
Oh, is the worst because I'm trying to doing the best press of run on my machine before I commit the repo, but it's not running. I don't know why.
This is the best. Okay, so it worked in the main repo. Sorry, in the main branch. Now I will pull request it to DevOps Nights. I need to include you there, Brandon, to approve my commits.
Approve?
Yeah, to check to review my pull requests.
Oh, nice. I can put a like. Let me see, DevOps Night pull request.
Yeah, I need to add you first. It will not work now. I don't know if I already included you. I'm not sure.
Oh no. You can't put me in the DevOps Night team. Remember, when you create the DevOps, when you create the DevOps team, you just you can just have one person in the team.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah, just for saying for the people who are viewing this video, it's because this team, it's like of delivering soft team, mine team. We have an account provided by Microsoft because the MVP program. It's not a limitation of GitHub.
Yeah, it's just because we have this. We can use, but we can't put a lot of people there just to test a test environment, let's say.
And we have access to some features, some paid features. But if you want to have a team at GitHub, you can have some users in open mode, public, with your repos are public and your team are public. You can have a group of people. I don't know the number exactly.
Okay, so the change is there in the DevOps Nights main.
Oh, you approve it?
Yeah, I approved myself.
Oh, I will get a like to the PR.
Oh, you can like the PR is there. It's still there. But that's
enable
closer.
Azure Web App Deployment.
Yeah. Okay. So now maybe you can try to consume this, Bruno. What do you think?
Yeah, I can. If maybe, let's go. Let's try. But I have to update my local repo.
Okay, I'll add you in the screen. Okay, good.
Okay. I create a new branch with move examples here. And now I'm trying to run the Node.js app, but I don't know why it's not running. This is a missed module or something. Let me try to do it with on Azure directly. I have this, and I will delete. I don't know if need to delete the git ignore. You put a second git ignore on your example?
I don't know.
Let me check.
Yeah, maybe because I was using I just moved the application.
No,
No.
Maybe it's not. No.
Oh, we have a comment from Alison Mendeiros. He's saying PTBR. Yes, Alison, we are BR. But now we are focusing on this in training our English skills in the lives. But we still have doing a lot of other lives. I will have a new one, a new live on 3rd of March on the Developers BR channel. And Brandon, when will you have a new live on Delivering Software channel?
I don't know. I need to schedule it.
Yeah.
I'm thinking when we finish like this web app .NET Core, I will put this template to run on the pipeline in PTBR with example what I used before. Parts unlimited code. Maybe I can use it this template and I do it live in Portuguese.
Cool. Good idea. But Alison, you are welcome to follow the other lives. Okay, cool.
I delete the git ignore file, and I will commit git status readme pipeline. You put Azure Pipeline YAML together with the example code, yes?
Yeah.
But you do it before you commit the code, right? Because if I commit and push the code, they will trigger a pipeline, right?
No, it will not trigger because you need to configure the pipeline in the portal.
Okay, but I think it's not a good idea to commit this Azure pipeline, right?
Why?
You are already done with this code?
No, it will not run.
When you move the .NET Core to examples, you put the Azure pipelines together at the same time, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Git commit. Yeah, and I think I need to update my main branch before I merge, right?
Yeah.
Git pull version. Oh, no. I need to update the stream. Oh, right.
Yeah, you need to rebase the main.
Oh.
Do you have the upstream?
Yes.
Okay.
Upstream and git pull.
Pull or fetch?
Upstream.
Okay.
Fetch. Fetch upstream, right? And git rebase
upstream /main.
upstream / main, right? Yeah.
Okay, now you need to force push.
For my repo, I need to push origin / and now we can see your last commit from Wesley here 8 minutes ago. Right.
Cool.
Nice. And now we have two merge, but yes, merge now.
Yeah, check out your branch.
Merge.
No. First, you need to check out the feature branch.
Check out, yeah. This lives is nice to use Git with a team. It's not what I do in my day work. Git checkout to update. No, what's the name? What I have? Movie examples here. Git. I need to rebase this branch.
No, just a merge.
No. Yeah.
No overcomplicated things. Just a merge it's enough.
Git merge
main.
Movie main.
No.
Main first.
No, just main, because you are already in the
right.
target branch, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, so git log one line. Let's see if the commits the tree of
git checkout man.
No, git log in your feature branch.
Oh, right.
Minus one line. Yeah.
And examples merge bring me into more examples here. Nice.
Yeah, enable Azure Web App Deployment. Yeah, cool. Looks good.
Nice. And now I have to create a pull request, right?
But no.
Oh no, I need to.
You need to run first.
Yeah. And for that, I need to go here. Pipelines.
Did you push it, the code?
Oh no, sorry. Git push origin.
The push, your branch is not an upstream.
Oh, I need to back to the main.
No.
That's okay. Right. I will. Yeah. I'm not doing baby steps here. I need to do baby steps. I need to push my move examples to my repo on GitHub to create a new pipeline to test it first. Yeah. Then I will create the pull request to DevOps Nights repo.
Yeah, you are missing.
Push, set.
Yeah, exactly.
Upstream, origin, move examples here.
Okay.
Nice. Let me check here. View all branches. Yes, my code is here. Move example here, right? And actually, yes. And now I have to create the new pipeline.
Yeah.
Let me see if we. this triggers some pipeline. No. And why not trigger the pipeline? Oh, it's because
you moved the code, so you need to configure the new pipeline, the new deployment pipeline. Yeah, create this one in this examples folder, and it will be easy to to clean the mess that we did.
I can decide for that after I create the YAML, right?
Yeah.
And I will commit the YAML.
Yeah. No. You can move, but not on the save time. After save.
Okay. GitHub, right? Here comes rundown UGP. Starter pipeline. Oh, maybe I can...
Existing. Okay. It will get the name of the pipeline.
Move examples here and examples Node.js Azure pipeline.
Cool.
Oh, Azure listed the YAML.
All the YAMLs inside the repo.
All the YAMLs or the YAMLs who have the same structure of pipeline. I don't know.
I don't know. I didn't check it.
Node.js, right? Continue. What we are doing here is just to connect the pipeline on Azure with this YAML, right? This existing YAML. And now I have to comment this, right? Because I'm using the same repository.
Exactly. The results also, yeah. And also on the line 15, you need to remove the @UDP and probably fix the structure, because you are inside. So I think you need to put /. I will check on the .NET Core. 1 minute.
I think just a slash is saying it's in the root of the repository.
No, you need the // because you are inside the folder, so you need to back to folders. Take a look on the .NET Core.
Okay. Azure pipelines. Yeah. Right. Oh, I will copy.
Oh, yeah. Good idea.
Preventing issues. Yeah. Next, I need to set the same thing what Wesley parameterize what has Wesley used here. The resource type will be Node.js, and the web app name, and service connection. But I will use the same web app. I think I can.
Yeah, you can try. Let's see. I have one with Linux, but let's see if it will work. Okay. I don't think so. I will explain later when the error comes.
parameters here. Gap. Okay.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
Ubuntu.
Yeah, you can keep it.
But
just
WAUGP.NET Core is...
yeah, it's
sorry. Ubuntu is for the image of this pool of the pipeline. Here,
okay. Change the .NET Core for Node.js on the name of the web app.
you are creating a new.
Yeah, I have created. It's there.
Oh, okay. And maybe
you need to change the trigger, because in your app we was using the master, but here we are using the main.
Oh yeah. But there's another thing to do is fix the steps of the Node.js build, right?
Yeah, let's run first and let's see what happens.
Okay.
Oh, just if you want to have the trigger, put the feature /* on the trigger branch.
Okay.
No, keep main. You can keep main.
Oh, add another one.
Yeah. Feature. No.
Feature.
Slash. Oh, actually, what's the name of your branch?
No, it's not a feature. It's a movie. It's complete. Not
out of pattern.
Out of pattern. Let me see. No, I'm on the wrong right. Move examples here. Move example here. I don't know why I put this name.
Because you don't like patterns.
Yeah, maybe. Let me check one more time. Move examples here. Right. Save and run. Commit to direct. Move examples here. Right.
Oh,
save and run.
You was trying to figure out the name, and the name was there.
Yeah. So we get a error. It's not start. They not recognize the structure and not start any job or anything.
Yeah. Looks like you have we don't have the same name on the build job from .NET Core and Node.
You can go back to code. Oh, maybe.
Oh, first. Yeah, you can do it from browser. Oh, no.
But it's not in the pipelines, because in the templates, right?
Yeah. There is a way to do it, but it's not so. I can show it later.
Yeah, I can do it in the repositories module of Azure DevOps, but no Azure DevOps, GitHub.
Yeah. First, you need to pull.
Pull?
Yeah, pull your branch, because you did change on the YAML file in the browser.
Oh, right.
Now you need to push to pull it here.
Get the pull version. Okay. And now I have to go through templates. I close, but I can change the folders here if it's necessary. Let me see. Source first build, right? Orchestrator. I don't need to do anything here, right? Let me check if I put the correctly. Sorry about that. Node.js, Azure Pipeline, Node.js, right. And now go back to the orchestrator. Here, it's nothing to... strange, because resource type in API connection, Node.js.
Yeah, the thing is not in the orchestrator, but in the build file.
I'm just checking. Node.js build jobs. Let's.
Oh, actually, looks like you don't have a name. Check on the .NET Core build.
Yeah. Job display name.
Yeah, actually, it's the build job. The job on the line 2.
Oh. Sorry. You said change the name. Oh, the name build job.
Yeah.
Build job here.
Yeah, exactly. Just to keep the same name that the deployment it's looking for.
The deployment is looking for.
Not there. Go back to Azure DevOps and to the error when you got the error.
Job
Can you see?
one depends on no. Oh yeah. Okay. Build job. Oh, it's because now I
you got it. Yeah.
Because the deploy is depending on where is the depending on?
In the line 11.
Yeah, here is depends on build job, and they are not found here. Now we have build job, right?
Yeah.
And we can now change this step. We can extend the step of why. Here. I think it's more complicated here because TGZ extension is not step what are archiving a TGZ type. It's
actually you don't. You need to change to do not have this this npm pack and just and have like a simple zip file.
Yeah, it's because this thing is doing it. Where is? I don't know where the. Oh, you created a new web app, right?
Yeah.
In this web app, you configured Linux service plan.
Yes.
I think if the service plan is Linux, the TGZ will be accepted.
Okay. So yeah, I'm checking the documentation and looks yes. So we just need to change the deployment, because in the deployment file we are looking for a zip file. So go to deploy, Azure Web App Deploy.
Okay. Here we're going to zip, but
Yeah.
maybe we can parameterize the string.
Yeah, exactly.
Or we can just look for any kind of file.
Or maybe you can put it for TGZ and zip. So just on the, can you share the session on the live share?
Code?
Oh yeah. I can show how to do it.
Where is the
On the left side, from second icon from bottom to top.
here?
No, left menu. Left.
Left or
Yeah,
right?
it's almost there. Go to left with the mouse.
Oh yes, you are saying here.
Yeah. Let's see if it will work today. Last time it didn't work.
Well, I think I'm with some
Click.
kind of problem here. Yes,
You
I
click.
already clicked.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
So
but it's not.
it's not working. No worries. So I will
Oh,
cheat you.
let I now if I start a session.
But maybe you need.
Oh,
No worries. We can do it later. Okay. So go to the line 29.
okay.
Okay. So after the name of the package for Linux. Oh, actually, it's strange, this name, package for Linux. Okay, so on the go to the left. Yeah, exactly. Now type pipe and enter. And now tab. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
When you do it, you are telling to the YAML that you are breaking line. No, you don't need the second on the rest. So in the end of the line 30, you don't need the pipe. Oh, okay. I think I freeze it. Okay, so when we use this, you are telling to YAML that you have put the same on the line in the bottom. Put the same,
A
but
block
change the.
of code.
Yeah, exactly. Copy this line, paste on the line in the bottom line, and change the zip for TGZ. And I think it should work.
I think we have to separate the lines, no? Or
No.
you have to or
Are you breaking? I don't know if you or me, but are Brandão, are you there? Brandão? Okay, I think we lost Brandon, but he's coming back. Oh, he's here.
Yeah.
Welcome back.
Sorry.
No problem.
I think this time was me, right?
Okay, share your screen again.
Yeah. And now, let's make we can simplifying the things, right? We can put all files here, right? And later we can change this. No,
I didn't try it. Okay, I don't know if it will work, but let's try. It's good.
Wow.
It's good to test. I didn't did yet it like that yet.
Save and save and have two files. Let's see, change. Oh, why there's just one file here?
What's the other file that you changed? Which one? I think we lost you again.
Here, yes, I'm looking for.
Are you there? Brandon? Can you hear me? Hello? Brandon, are you there?
Yes. Oh, you're freezing.
You are freezing.
I think.
Sorry? Try to remove the can. Maybe it can be better. I will remove my can also.
Remove the cam.
On the bottom, stop can. No, stop can, not remove.
Sorry. Yeah. I removed. You can expand there. Yeah. I forget what we were doing. I didn't make any modifications in this file.
Yeah.
Oh no,
I don't think so.
The name of the build.
But you already committed it, right? Check on the commits. Check on the log. Git log.
Oh, it's there. I think it's an issue with a code.
Oh.
Oh. Now I have the two files.
Change. Cool.
Yeah, git commit fixed the name of the build in Node.js or on Node.js. Right? Oh.
No, you didn't.
I forget the add file. Now I have.
Cool.
Git push origin. And now we expect to trigger another bit. it's not a new build, it's a new release, right? Because when you use the pipeline, you have not just build, but build and deploy.
Yeah.
I think the correct name is another release here.
Yeah, but you are on the old release on the Azure DevOps.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. No. Sorry. You was right. You was in the right place. Okay. Click on this one.
I think it's too slow here.
Yeah. Yeah. Click on the new and let's see.
Oh, but it's I improve of the error. Now we have the name of the jobs here. Nah? No.
Yeah.
All right. Node.js build and Azure Web Deployment, and they are correct with started first Node.js build. Let me see. I think it's where? Well, maybe it's a path. It's a problem with path. No such file or directory. Pack.json. Build. Yeah. Let me see. On code. And here. Node.js. Where is artifacture? There is the path. We need to parameterize the path because
actually, it's not on this path, but you are the error is on the install and on the run build, right?
Right, it's here.
Yeah, so you need to jump to the right folder because what it was working because you was on the root of the repo, right? But now we are not in the root anymore. We have a folder, the examples folder. So you need to jump on this. So maybe you can put like a script, or in the beginning.
Sorry, but the Azure Pipelines YAML is on the root of Node.js folder.
No, but you don't need to. You need to jump into the folder of the artifacts. I mean the repo folder. You know, the folder that you are cloning the repo. I will check it. 1 minute.
The source folder.
Yeah.
But how I do this?
You need to put an script and do like a CD. So just a minute. I'm checking the right variable. Okay, so it's build.sources directory. So go to the node deployment. Not deployment, sorry.
It's build deployment.
Yeah. Okay, so you have this script on the line 10. So just add a new line on the beginning. On the line 11.
Oh, right.
So CD to jump in the folder, and no.
Can put build source directory / examples / Node.js, right?
Yeah. I think so. I'm not. We can try.
It's not. I need to use this marks.
No, I think it looks good. Let's try. No, you need this. You need the quotation marks. Yeah. Save and push. Let's see. Luis is saying that it should be something like context in Docker. npm run might be in the same folder in the package.json. Yeah, Luis, but it was working on the older repo. Now we moved to the UDP. I don't know if you are following from the beginning of the life, but we moved to the same repo and inside a folder examples. So probably this is the reason that it's not finding the files to build. It worked with the .NET Core, because in the .NET Core build we have like wildcards for find the CS project, but we don't have it in the node. Brandon, we are just seeing the console. Okay, I think we are in the right place. Okay.
Push origin. I don't know why it is too slow in my laptop. Let me see.
Yeah, it's running.
Now it's running.
Mm-hmm.
Then install Node.js.
Okay.
Maybe the install Node.js we have to change the path to. No, it's error.
It's bricked. Okay. So we need to go to the to jump on the folder first, not first before the install node.
Well, yeah, we need to have another step.
Yeah, cool.
A step before. But Linux, I think. I think Linux accepted when you run multiple commands on the terminal.
Yeah.
I don't know why. I can just put script here.
No. I don't think. I don't think this is the problem. Okay, you can do this.
What are you doing? What were you thinking?
Okay, finish this. And move this script above the node the node install.
Yeah, it's what I think too. Here.
No, too much.
Task.
Yeah.
There's something.
Luis is asking if we need to put the end in the end of the line. Luis, no, because we are using this pipe on the in front of the script. It's something related to YAML. I will try to find something and send in the comments. but there is other options like major signal and other things, but it should work.
I found a typo here. Right. Fix it. Admin. Task. Change the path. Hey. I made a mistake here. Again, I forget to change my username for the repo. And again, I committed with another
your company.
Yeah. It's not a good. I don't know why they Git changed the committer email now, because I already done a commit before. Let's move on.
Yeah.
Commit. No, git push origin. After we can do a amend when send the commit to the DevOps Night repo.
Yeah, I added in the comments some article explaining these blocks of code in YAML. So, Luis, if you want to take a look, and Brandon, you can take a look also later. But it explains how to use these pipes. There is other signs that you can use, and it's good to know. It's a good. It has good flexibility to use this.
Oh, it's running the install and build.
And broken again.
Oh, well. But I think I create a log file, no such back work. The path is wrong because open home VSS work / package. They are not join the second part of the path.
Why?
Let me see. On Linux, we have the / to write. The / is paining to write. Right? The / is the symbol, right? In Linux. The counter, the other / is counter /.
Yeah.
And on Linux, we need to use the /, right?
Yeah.
Because it's the same we used here.
Maybe you can check after the CD. You can put ls to check the folders on the line 6. So break the line.
Oh, you want to log the the path?
Yeah. No, you don't need to do this. On the line 6, do the same from like the line 14.
Oh, right. pipe.
With the pipe. One more tab. Yeah.
PWG?
Yeah, maybe. There is some parameter to list like recursively.
Sorry?
With recursivity. To show the folders inside the folders.
How can I do that?
I have no idea. I'm not a Linux guy. Try this one.
It's you were saying using another command, like tree.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
You can check this with, yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool.
And, but we are moving to this path, and the tree we're gonna running on I think I'm not I don't have the repo on Linux. We can check on.
Try this one, commit and push, and let's see. Yeah. Meanwhile, you can try to figure out.
Oh. Thanks. Oh. Wait. These are. No. The charger. And no, I think I need to refresh. There's something wrong here. It's very bizarre. The hour of truth, no, error again.
No, but check on the command line, the first command line. The task, yeah, not the one above.
Oh.
Yeah, looks like you are in the right place.
Sorry?
Looks like you are in the right place.
Maybe. Let me see. Node install and build, right? Here. I think it's because when we wrote here the script, this one run in another session of the terminal. When these steps run, they change the path, it's okay. But when this task run, it's not in the same session of the step before. We need to change the where the npm install and build run, or Here, we need to pass we need to pass with a parameter where send the path to this script.
Yeah, I have no idea how to do it. In .NET Core, we have the wildcards for Node. I have no idea.
Yeah, I think it's just a path. It's just a parameter. Install scope package or folder. We need to put npm install this path here.
Yeah, I don't know. Try. Let's try.
And we need to remove that. And you need to put here 2 because it's another column, and here 2, and source directory here example Node.js, and oh no, the target folder is here. Oh no, I'm right. Artifacts is the target, and here it's okay. I think we can try that. If not, correct the pipeline, we can finish the live today and correct on the other
offline. Yeah, let's see.
Offline or next live, because it's 2 hours offline. Okay, it's running. Node.js. Oh, let me see, install. But node and build. No, it's wrong. No, session, moderate, blah, blah, blah. This it's what's intriguing me, because the runner is looking for a package JSON on home VSTS work. It's not the same path.
Open. Go to your to Visual Studio Code. Open this package JSON on the Node folder.
Package JSON.
Yeah, go to the Node.js folder. You have this package.
Yeah. Oh, it's we have some kind of reference to packages here. Oh, but it's debug script.
No, but there is a build. We are trying to build, so this is, we are running the npm build, right? So maybe you need to fix some reference there.
Yeah, but the node modules, it's not absolutely references. Tests, it's a relative path here. It's okay.
Oh, we have a comment. So Lucas Mendes is saying that npm install needs to execute in same directory where package JSON is.
We need to put the path here. Node 2, but I don't know if we have task node 2. How can I see the inputs for this task?
No. Wait. It's not like that. He said that the npm install the command on the line 13, not the task. This task just ensure that we have the right version. So did you try it? Yeah.
Yeah, but Node.js is the same folder what we have the package.json.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah,
yeah, Lucas saying the here is the installation task. We need to put the path of the package.json here. Let me see in the
in your machine
here. No, if the if I have input for this task.
Wait. Go to your repo locally. Yeah, open the terminal.
I'm here.
Yeah.
You want to we go to examples?
Yeah. Try to run the npm installer.
Yeah, but why? How?
Npm install. Just this. This is the command that we have there.
It's been.
It
will be a slow update.
Okay, so now what's the second comment? It's an npm build, right?
Yeah, but the problem is.
No, wait. Back. Go to the YAML. npm run build, sorry. So we have the same error.
Oh, it's not the same error.
Cannot find the module something.
You are right. Complete log. And it's not the same error. Because here the login does not relate to npm not being able to find a file. It's not a model.
Yeah.
But if I add this complete log. Let me see the log. No, I think the problem is the path where the swing are running. Let me see something. On the task, we can put the path to run. Where is the?
Yeah, but this is not a task. This is a script. This is different.
Okay, but if we don't have any other parameter on script,
I don't think so.
Script is a kind of task. Oh,
yeah,
I can't see this here, but I will. Can I?
Show assistant on the right side, on the right corner, on the top.
Oh, nice. And yeah, but script is not here because it's not a task.
Yeah.
Right. We need to go to the doc. Azure pipelines. Script. Something pipelines documentation, shell script. No, it's not shell script. Utility task index, build run pipeline test. Script. Run code cross-platform, unlike a task script's custom code that's specific for planning. Script. Consider bash. I think we cannot set the path for scripts.
Yeah. Wait a sec.
We can change to bash. Yeah, but doing that you can execute on Windows and Linux. Let me check something. Yeah, but I'm running on Windows. I need to run on Linux, or we can try to change the image for Windows latest.
Yeah.
And try again. Because I'm thinking about this. What's the name?
Quotation marks. Oh, we have the Lucas is saying that he will send a pull request to fix this bug. 1 minute. Thank you, Lucas.
Okay. But we can test this.
Yeah, you can try with Windows Agent meanwhile.
Fix. I don't know if I changed something more than and broke another thing. Let me see. No.
It's still breaking.
Yeah. I don't understand the error here. Oh, it's weird because I changed to Windows, but this is not Windows structure. We don't have a home. I think it's not changed.
Check the build task, the build YAML. No, not there.
I'm not changed the.
Yeah, go to the build on the YAML. Not there, on the Visual Studio Code.
Oh, I think I forgot to
push.
No. Let me see if there is more than one. 2 minutes ago. No. Push. Count writing usages.
Check the commit version.
Oh, right. Lucas already sent us a pull request.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I changed. Oh, but I deleted the example Node.js source folder. Maybe it's no, it's in another. I think this is a deploy file. And why these many chains are here? It's because oh shit. I committed some trash, I think.
No, you
just
didn't.
change. Yeah. It's just a point. There are chains on that directory.
Yeah. You didn't have it in the git ignore, but it's okay.
And now, oh, I forgot to check. Yes, the commit is here, and it's not changed to Windows.
Oh, weird.
Yeah, the commit here. Why?
Run again. Let's see.
Why? Why run it again will change the results?
I don't know, but sometimes it changes.
No,
the pull request should be on your
no, I'm looking for
fork.
Lucas sent to here.
Yeah, but it should be not on DevOps Nights, but in your personal fork. In your fork. Not yet. Lucas, did you send the pull request?
Why the image is not changing?
I don't know.
Oh, it's because let me see on the template we have another
No,
image declaration.
No, I was checking it, but we didn't have.
Oh, here. Yeah, it's because we are extending the template here, right? Yeah, and we'll use. Oh, what's happened? The Ubuntu is here again. Oh. Yeah. What's happening?
Are you breaking everything?
Cool. I think
no rush, Lucas.
I think I changed the wrong pipeline.
Oh, great.
Maybe I
Yeah.
changed the Azure pipeline on .NET Core because I'm changing the files here. Let me see here on GitHub what file was changed. Um,
On the right. Yeah.
oh, sorry,
Click.
I'm in a main branch. Yeah, I changed in .NET Core. It's
Congratulations.
yeah.
What happens?
.NET, Node.js, Azure Pipeline, and here we go. Windows latest. If you want, I go back to
Just
boot on
change.
.NET Core.
Just change it back on the file.
Oh yes, it's what I do. I think to do. Right.
Yeah.
And what happened? Oh, right. It starts true. Okay. Charging. Oh. Right.
Okay, now it's running on Windows.
Yeah. If we have a green, what is the conclusion?
Use Windows.
Windows is much better. Oh, no. It's the same error. The
Could
same
not.
error? No. The error is the same. The path is not the correct to build. The correct to find the package JSON file. Could not install from examples Node.js. We are on the
try to get as we are in the Windows now. Try to run not there, but in the build. Run get child item minus recurse. So on Windows we are in home, so it will be better, I think. No, not there.
Let me see for something. Here we not change anything of pathing. What is?
It's on build, not on deploy. We are not on deploy yet.
Okay, and search directory example Node.js. I think it's because source.
Try to cd on this folder on Windows first. Yeah, remove this. Yeah, and after, okay, type in the line in the bottom after the cd. Yeah, remove this part of the line. Remove. No. Remove everything.
No, remove the path, right?
Yeah. Okay, so
I need to remove it here. Oh. Right?
Yeah.
And here we can let the same.
Okay, so below the cd, create a new line and get minus child. No, I don't know if it will work.
Yeah, it's work.
On Windows?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It's because on PowerShell 3 is reference to this command.
Okay. Yeah, so try to.
Oh. Nice. Running.
Cross your fingers.
We are. Oh,
it worked.
Best.
Yeah, scroll down. Oh no, it didn't.
No. Oh. I think it's a problem with npm. We need to configure npm path on the installation.
Yeah,
because it's very. It's weird because when you change the path. No, the path is not changed. We just put just the tree was executed here. You can see the file name is directory name. Syntax is incorrect. We put something wrong here. CD blah blah blah. Oh, it's because I think in Windows you need to use this.
No, it should work.
Or this, because this.
Sorry, can you back? Ctrl Z.
Why Ctrl Z?
No, I just want to see if this is different. Are you using the simple quotation or the
simple? But if we are, if the agent is running, the agent is running PR done.
Lucas said, yeah, PR done. Let's see. Files changed. The last option on the right. One option to right.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So he changed some things on the package.
No.
Yeah, he put a start.
Where?
Yeah.
Sorry. Start node. Yeah. It's what I said. We need to. No, but start is to run.
Oh, maybe this is to work on the server when we deploy it.
Yeah, but it's not for the build.
Okay, and he changed the test results.
I think Lucas, we are on one step before the run. We are on the step of building the package. The run is going to no run. The run. You are not. We are not running the package here. I don't understand what Lucas sent to us. Well, sorry.
Yeah.
I think we need to check this later.
Yeah, okay. No, not a problem. It happens. This is the risk to do this kind of live. So I'll back the camera. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Where I am. Will you back your camera?
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so it happens. It's part of the show to have this kind of problem, but it's what happens when we are working. So we are not specialists on Node.js applications. You can see that, but we can try to solve it offline, and maybe next live we can just explain what it's wrong. Lucas Mendes said that. Cool, Lucas. So yeah, let's see. So it's the last attempt for today. If it will not happen, we can close for today and finish next week, or maybe finish offline, and next week we can just explain what we did. But yeah, I think the idea to have the Node.js deployment, it's we could give it. We just can't check if it worked. But in the end, we have just one deployment file, and we are going to deploy both Node.js and the .NET Core application with the same YAML. But yeah, let's wait for this new pull request from Lucas. And maybe for the next live, we can show how to work with stages. Because today we have just one stage that we have all the jobs inside, and we can split the stages among the build and deployment. So you can have a better control on the activities using this. And I can show how to have approvals using this kind of environments. So it's a pretty cool feature. Actually, it's this feature you can use in the environments and your service connections and other places. But the important is to have it so you can control who can approve the deployments in production and these other things. So, Brandon, what do you think that we can do in the next weeks? Not next, but in the other weeks.
I think approvals is a nice, it's a good thing to put in the pipeline. And no, before we can maybe improve the deployment with tasks to create or something. I don't know.
To create
the web app before deploying it. It's not not doing with terraform or another thing, just using the tasks to create a web app.
Yeah, maybe it can be an option. Good idea.
Because we can create parameters to say if the web app is running a JavaScript or .NET Core code. Oh, Lucas, update the code. No? No. Yeah. 3 minutes. Script 3. Oh, here we go. Yeah, Lucas, but it's not the error here. Could you check, please? What Lucas do it for change puts the npm test in the same script, but it's not the problem here. I don't see a change with the target path. The fixed pipeline commit. Yeah, I'm seeing.
Yeah, Lucas, why did you change the build from the test? Why we are missing this? Again, we are not specialists on Node, but we think that we should have like a build. Oh, Brandon, go to the packages to .json just to see something with this change. No, in the change that Lucas did. On files, change it on the right. Yeah, he changed the test from the build from test.
I don't think is the solution of the problem, because here is just adding another step to npm install pack. Sorry. No, here display name is Justin.
Yeah,
Lucas just changed the display name, but here he had the npm test, but the problem is on build, not here. And Lucas deleted the npm run build.
Yeah, he changed the build to test.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. I think for today we are good.
Yeah.
Almost 3 hours. So
yeah.
But yeah, we can exchange some ideas, Lucas, if you want, and
yeah.
we can fix
Lucas,
it offline.
You can fix the pull request, or can you check here with Azure pipelines, of yours Azure pipelines, and check if this is correct the build. Or maybe we can run this pull request. No.
I don't know how to do it.
Yeah.
You know, is it possible? If
I don't know. Well, I think for today is too much. My brain is stopping to work. I will check it if the PR what Lucas sends is what the PR do in the pipeline, and we can talk through the comments in the PR.
Yeah,
okay, Lucas.
Cool. Yeah, I think we are good. So yeah, let's try to fix it offline, and we can catch up on the next week. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you for what today. It was a little bit tiring to try to fix this error, and
yeah.
See you next week. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, Brandon.
Thank you.